The sound of awakening. The virgin yawn of folded wings that cracks the crust of the cocoon. The breaking of first light inside the womb. Do you feel my heartbeat quickening? In between the bated breaths before the turning of the page, the sense that everything's about to change. Kicking and screaming, you can't make me leave this place. Cradled in the arms of darkness, I am safe. Until you pulled me into life, how could I know that I'd been blind? It was love at first sight when I opened my new eyes and saw your face. The sound of awakening. The exoskeleton thickening. Do you feel the floodgates open? To the sound of awakening. As whispers in the heart disclose the rumors of the truth. When the mind is all but hidden it from view. The surface trembles as the core begins to heat. And you no longer trust the tiny earth beneath your feet. Questioning if time has ever moved in a straight line. When you hear the aches of past life lovers as you pass by one another in the street. It's the sound of awakening. The shadow chopping down a symphony. All the voices washing over me. The distance and the difference between us is just illusion. The distance and the difference between us is just illusion. It's all a dream. It's always been a dream. Yes, it's all one magnificent dream. And that's all it's ever been. Yes, it's all a dream. It's always been a dream. Yes, it's all a dream. My love for you will echo in eternity. The distance and the difference between us is just illusion. much.